Good morning. So in the last video we have completed the three inversions which is related to L plus S less than P plus Q. Now in this video we are going to evaluate the second condition, that is L plus S equal to P plus Q, whether it follows the Grashoff's law or not. Okay, so what I am going to do is, earlier we used the longest link as 145. Now I am going to use a bigger value, that is 150, and remaining all dimensions I am maintaining the same as before. So by doing that I will get L is equal to 150, S is equal to 50, P equal to 75 and Q equal to 125. So L plus S equal to 200, P plus Q equal to 200 and L plus S equal to P plus Q. So we are going to evaluate whether it is possible to make a rotation or not. And in this particular video I am going to use all the examples which we have used earlier, the same links. So what I have done is I have copied that folder and I deleted all the assembly. Now if I go for new, so before that let me modify the one of the link. So long link I want to modify. Open this. And this length of the link I am going to edit. So edit definition. So this 145 I am going to change to 150. Remaining all the values remains the same. Then Control D. So this is the default orientation. Regenerate. Save. Then I want to prepare manage file, delete old versions. Yes. File, close. Now we are going for new assembly, and this is let us go for the first inversion. Mechanism 1, mechanism, okay, let it be 1, 4-bar mechanism. Okay. MMNS ASM design ABS description. Okay. Grashoff. Then okay. Let us assemble the P link, long link, open. Then this one we are going to make it default. Okay. Now we are going to assemble once again. Now we will assemble the short one, open. Then we are going for pin joint, pin joint. So this axis and this axis, and one more, that is this face to this face, flip it not here, I think this one, right? So then okay. Now I want to move it. Okay. Now we will assemble where it is our link. Okay, it was the short link was here, so let me modify that one. Edit definition, then placement, so axis, so this, let me remove this, and here. Okay, so this we have done it. Now link for the long one, that is Q. Let us assemble the Q link. So assemble Q link, open and okay, or shall we assemble Q first? Okay, let us assemble this. So here pin joint, so this axis and this axis here, this face and this face. Okay, okay, now the last link, I think there will be some problem here. Okay, let us assemble first, then if there is a problem we will edit it. Assemble, so P link, open. So now so go for pin joint, so this axis here and this axis, this face and this face. Again one more, go to placement, new set. Okay, I think I'm not getting the axis, so what I will do, I will select this. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I made some mistake, so let us cancel it. Yes, so this also, let us remove this. Okay, so go to assemble, let us go for the P link, open. So let us assemble this axis with this axis here. Sorry, this cancel. Okay, so assemble once again, just go for the P link, open and go to pin joint, pin, and this axis with this axis here and this face and this face, flip it. Okay, then drag the component little bit, drag and place it. Okay, I think here both are having the same whole configuration. So what we will do, we will open the Q link, open, and here what we will do, we will add a boss here. Extrude, placement, define on this face, sketch, So project, close, finish sketch, flip direction, this one I will give 6, enter, okay, then save it, file, manage file, delete old versions, yes, file, close. Okay, now we will assemble the QLink, open. So now we will select this, so first we will go for pin join, and this axis and this axis here, this face and this face, flip it, then let us go to one more time, placement, new set, okay, this face and this face, this face with this face, then okay. Now we can just drag it to check. Drag components. Okay, now this is also working. Okay, so now let us apply the motor. So before that, let us turn off these planes. Now go to applications, mechanism, and servo motor. Then we will apply the motor here. This we will change to angular velocity, then profile details, this here coefficients we will give something like 30, then enter, then OK, mechanism analysis, end time something like 60, run. Okay. So now we are getting the in this particular exercise also we have verified that this link is making a complete revolution. So we will evaluate the next condition in the next video. Okay. Thank you.